So Samsung users were told to expect something big on April 30th, a major update, One UI 8.5. But when the day came, a lot of people checked their phones and nothing was there. So what happened? Did Samsung delay the update? Or is something else going on behind the scenes? So today we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. So welcome to The Simple Dad, where we make tech simple, honest, and actually useful. So let's start with what we're expecting. Samsung's One UI 8.5, based on Android 16, was rumored to begin rolling out on April 30th, starting in South Korea. Now, this wasn't supposed to be a worldwide instant release. Samsung never does that. So instead, the plan looked something like this on screen. So here on April 30th, the initial rollout in Korea. Then we have early May expansion to key markets, and late May into June, wider global rollout. So technically, April 30th wasn't meant for everyone. And here's where things got messy. On April 30th, a lot of users, even in regions that actually get updates early, didn't see anything, according to this user on X, Terra Black. And that triggered headlines like update delay, Samsung missed rollout, something went wrong. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Samsung updates are phased rollout. That means not everyone gets it at the same time. Some users get it hours or even days later. Carriers and regions can delay things. So what looked like a missed launch might actually just be a slow rollout starting quietly. So this part is super important because once you understand this, the whole situation makes sense. Samsung doesn't just push updates to millions of devices instantly. Instead, they release to small group first, monitor for bugs or crashes, and then gradually expand to more users. Why? Because if something breaks, like battery drain, overheating, or app crashes, they can stop the rollout before it hits everyone else. So we've seen this happen before with the previous One UI update. So in a weird way, a slower rollout is actually safe. Now let's talk about why this update actually matters, because it isn't just a minor patch. One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be a pretty big upgrade. So here you have a new visual design, more blur effects, cleaner UI layers, more modern glass-like feel. So think of it as Samsung is trying to make the interface feel more alive and less flat. Next, you have AI features everywhere, smarter call screening, AI photo editing tools, and real-time suggestions. So this is Samsung's going all in on AI, similar to what we're seeing across the industry. Third, we have the audio eraser. So this is one of the coolest features. It basically removes background noise from videos, making voice clearer, and this is great for parent recording kids or events or anything else. Now, last feature is the performance improvement. You have better battery optimization, smoother animation, faster app switching, and honestly, this is what most people care about the most. So who's getting the update? So Samsung's actually doing a solid job with device support this year. So expected devices include the Galaxy S25, the S24, S23, S22, S21. And in the Galaxy Z series, you have the Z Trifold, Fold, Fold 7, the Flip 7, you have the Fold 6, Flip 6, Fold 5, Flip 5, Fold 4, and Flip 4. And in the Galaxy A series, you have the A73, 56, and all of these are listed here in the list. We have the M series as well, the F series, and the Galaxy Tab series. And then we have the X Cover series as well. That's a lot of devices on the list here. So let's answer this big question. Should you be worried if you didn't get it on April 30th? No. Here's a simple answer. The rollout likely started quietly. It's expanding gradually, and you're probably seeing it in the coming days or weeks. If anything, not getting it might mean you're avoiding early bugs. Now, at the end of the day, this isn't just really a delay. It's just how Samsung rolls out updates. Slow, controlled, and sometimes confusing. And here's what I want to know from you. Did you get your One UI 8.5 update yet? Or are you still waiting? Drop your device and location in the comment section, and let's help each other track this rollout. And if you like tech explained without the fluff, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment below. Because here on The Simple Dad, we keep things simple. We keep things real, and we help you actually understand your tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.